Hi, my name's Miss Kerr and I'd like to share a story with you. This is called The Worm and the Bird and it's written and illustrated by Coralie Bickford Smith. I'll read the blurb to you on the back. Deep below the earth, Worm dreams of having more space. There's not much room down there. Above, Bird waits through sun and rain and wind. As the day goes on, will they both find what they are looking for? From the author of The Fox and the Star, this is a book about searching and hoping and how the smallest moment can be beautiful. The Worm and the Bird. For Tom. There's not much room where I live. And all the earth around me is filled with life. I am always searching for space, and everything is in my way. I am too busy to rest. I can rest later. I am too busy to look. I can look another day. I am too busy to listen. I can listen when I am finished. But I dream of a place, a space with nothing. A place where I can be truly alone. Today is the day. I will push everything out of my way. I am getting really good at this. I see Earth. It is so beautiful. There's not much room where I live. And all the sky around me is filled with life. And life can be full of endless possibility. The end. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful story and the beautiful illustrations. Thank you for listening.